Okay, day 5, we made it, guys. We're at the end of the road. Okay, so day 5, we're surviving. That's all it is. So you got 2 options, according to me. This is brushed out. You guys are always like, I don't wake up looking like that. Yes, I brushed it and I put makeup on, so it looks better. But it is like, it's greasy, it's gross. So option 1, you can wear a hat. Oh my gosh, I have no idea that your hair is disgusting. So there's an option. Wear a hat, covers everything. You would never know. You can just texture spray, dry shampoo, whatever, all of this, call it good. That's usually what I do. The other option, which is a better option, is I am going to show you my ponytail with a little bit of cheating, I know. Brushing this all out, brushing it up. And put this baby up all the way. I'm gonna pull a little bit down because I like to have something around my face. I'm not totally there yet where I can just, go all exposed. And then I am using a regular hair tie. Tie it off. And then, sorry guys, using my Halo Couture ponytail. This is why I have it. Like, hello. It's gonna make my boring pony that much better. So all you do is lock it in there, snap it in, which I do have a blog and an IGTV video on how to do my pony, the Halo Couture ponytail. But I mean, it's not hard. So it saves lives when your hair is that bad. And I'm not gonna totally do it, but you guys always ask to see how it would be done. Okay, so there's the ponytail. Ta-da! That much better. I don't have a scrunchie next to me, otherwise I will put a scrunchie in too. Or like a scarf or something. However, if you were to do a bun, because everyone asks, how do you do a bun with this? So I would take it up. I'd probably wear it a little bit higher. I would twist it a little bit. And then I'd kind of tug at the twist. So it's kind of pulled apart just a little bit. And then you treat it like it's hair, like it's normal hair. So how you would do a bun on your own hair, you just wrap it around and you can pin it. But like on top of your head, so you do a top bun. That's the exact same ordeal as if it was your own hair. And then also, a lot of my friends like to wave it. That's super cute, I've done that before. I like to keep mine just kind of plain because it looks natural to what I would normally do, but waving it is really fun as well. So there you go, day 5, all done. A little underwhelming. I have my grand opening, my grand reopening tonight. So I am gonna wash it later today. Pretty darn excited about it. But now you can see why I always clarify. So I will clarify my hair first and then I'll shampoo again, whether it's with something hydrating or my purple shampoo, depending on what week it is. So that's why, because I have all this buildup. But you really should be clarifying most of the time. So when everybody's like, oh my gosh, my hair is like, I'm greasy, it's day 2, and you aren't clarifying, you gotta clarify first. And then like I said, I'm gonna make a video on all the different dry shampoos. That's the whole topic in itself.